What's going on, fellow game developers? My name is Muddy Wolf, and today I have a big announcement. Myself and Fistful of Shrimp are collaborating together to host a VR game jam this Halloween. The game jam will commence on the 21st of October at 6 PM GMT or 10 AM Pacific time, and will last exactly 1 week, ending on the 28th of October at again 6 PM GMT or 10 AM Pacific time. You can sign up for the jam on our itch.io page, where you can find all of the details on the jam. I'll leave the link in the description. This jam is an opportunity for you to push your VR development skills to their limit while also getting into the spooky vibe of Halloween. I believe VR is the best way to portray horror games, since you immerse the player into this complete world. Myself and Fistful of Shrimp will be playing all of the top games. Depending on how many they are, we might even get through all of the games. Both of the POVs should be available on YouTube. So make sure you prepare the scariest VR jump scares you possibly can to make an entertaining video. You'll see myself scream and shout trying to get through all of the different entries. The theme will be announced at the start of the game jam on the itch.io page and also on both of our YouTube channels, so don't forget to save the dates. Don't forget to check out Fistful of Shrimp's YouTube channel, where he covers VR development in Unity and has a great tutorial series on Unity VR basics, as well as a really sweet VR bow and arrow tutorial. His channel link will be in the description below. Thanks for tuning into this announcement. I'm excited to host my first ever jam and collaborate with Fistful of Shrimp. It's going to be a super fun jam, so don't forget to sign up using the links down below. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.